and welcome to Gaston Spotlight. I'm Evan Ludwig. In the studio today we have Lunacy Rain, a local rock band. Welcome, guys.
Hey, how you doing? Thanks for having us, man.
Oh, no problem. So why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Tim Lane, guitars.
I'm D. Hill, lead guitarist, vocalist.
Dwayne Payne, bass.
Alan Bigham, drums.
All right, and Lunacy Rain, it's an interesting name for a band. Where'd you get the name Lunacy Rain from?
I read a book, I can't remember the author, but it was about a Glasgow insane asylum, and there was a quote in the book that said, "Lunacy will fall like rain upon both the good and the evil without a shine." And I was like, I kind of read it a couple times, and I'm like, hey, that would be a good name for a band, so that's where I came up with it from.
Now, what kind of music does Lunacy Rain play?
We like to play kind of a variation of everything. We've got some songs that kind of have a country blues feel, then we've got a couple more that you can really tell the heavier rock side of things that we like to play. So
a wide range of rock, basically.
Yeah. Yes.
All right, now who were your biggest idols growing up? Like what type of music did you listen to throughout your childhood?
Growing up, I listened to Jeff Beck, Led Zeppelin, Rod Stewart, just a lot of old 70s stuff, Black Sabbath.
And being
Hendrix.
being the youngest member of the band, I pull from a little more 90s influence, a lot of Alice in Chains, Pearl Jam, but still gotta love the old Pink Floyd and Deep Purple and stuff like that. So
basically anything from the 60s to the 90s in rock and roll.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah. There's actually even some other genre type of influence that we'd like to bring in, with some of the electronic stuff and a lot more symphonic stuff.
Wow, so it's very unique. Now, what type of music are you guys currently playing right now and working on?
The new one we're working on is kind of a punchy, go away kind of song, I guess you could say it is. The stuff we've got right now, we've got something that sounds kind of bowdy, and we've got one that's real punchy, and then we've got the bluesy riff and everything like that. So we're trying to keep a nice mix of everything, just stay very versatile.
So you don't want to, so basically you don't want to do one of the same thing. You want to do a little bit of everything like a piece of the pie. You want a different flavor for each piece, basically.
Exactly.
Right.
It's something that no one else has not done yet.
All right. Where can people find out more info about you guys?
The best place to find us is on Facebook at facebook.com/lunacyrain. We're in the process right now of getting our website published. It'll be lunacyrain.com. It should go live fairly soon. We're on Reverb Nation, SoundCloud,
Twitter,
Instagram. But best thing to do is just go to Facebook, punch in Lunacy Rain, and you'll see us right there, and we'll have links to everything. Yeah, come on in and give us a like. Check out what we've got. We've got a little something for everybody to listen to.
Well, I see you brought your gear. See the drums right here. So can't wait to hear you guys perform. And what are you going to be playing for us today?
We're going to probably start off with our song Crossroads. It's the bluesy kind of country riff. Tells the story of a guy selling his soul at the crossroads and how his life went from there. Then we'll probably end up doing a song called Goodbye Lies, which kind of comes from a little emotional heartbreak that a lot of people have had to go through. And then we'll probably finish off with one of our heavier, punchier songs. It's called Prison. Kind of tells the story of a guy who's losing his mind.
So wide range, basically, different meaning in each song. I can't wait to hear it. Well, you heard it here on GCTV. This is Lunacy Rain.
I went down there to the crossroads and sold my soul. It seemed like a plan. Yeah, came face to face down there with the devil. Yeah, signed my name and shook his hand. Told me to play this here guitar, start singing songs out with the band. Yeah, I couldn't think about tomorrow, no, just worried about the task at hand. Found happiness down in the bottle, out smoking and drinking till I couldn't stand. Yeah, spent most my life here on this tour bus. Yeah, no friends, just a guitar, pen and pad. Now I'm sitting in this old run-down hotel room, staring at those flashing neon lights. No wonder when I get cold, just the thoughts of all those friends I left behind. Down there to the crossroads and sold my soul, it seemed like a plan. Yeah, came face to face down there with the devil. Yeah, signed my name and shook his hand. I sit here all alone in my room, hanging on every word you said. Left me feeling like I'd be better off somewhere else. Baby, can't believe you could be so cold, with that look in your eyes as you're walking out my front door, giving me a goodbye light. Oh, goodbye life, goodbye life. Don't know why I couldn't see I'm not enough to make you happy. Now I find you out with somebody else. You don't think about me, you just think about your selfish self. Told me that you were mine, and we would stand this test of time. Now I find you running off with him as you're walking out my front door, giving me a goodbye light. Oh, goodbye light. Oh, goodbye light. Just sit and listen to yourself. Think I believe your lies, but I see right through you. I see everything in your eyes. You must think that I am dumb, 'cause you keep up your game. As I roll my eyes and walk away, I'm taking all I'm gonna take. Don't know why I couldn't see I'm not enough to make you happy. Now I find you out with somebody else. You don't think about me, you just think about your selfish self. Told me that you were mine, and we would stand this test of time. Now I find you running off with him as you're walking out my front door, giving me a goodbye line. As I stare into the cold dark sky, I'm able to hear the sound of crying. My world is turning to shade. Skies are full of rain. Forever trapped in this familiar pain. I cry for help when no one's there. I see these demons everywhere, screaming through the night, crying out in pain. I think I might be going insane. Glancing through the glass, it all comes crashing down, breaking into pieces. Silence is my sound. As blood runs cold, scarlet stains the floor. My wounded and ache, I step through the door. I cry for help, but no one's there. I see these demons everywhere, screaming through the night, crying out in pain. I think I might be going insane. all the pain. Visions of red scatter my brain. I clench my fist to let it all unwind. Stuck inside this